Thabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.
As jy kan onthou, het ons vir Tiana Flex hier so in die ateljee gehad en dit was so lekker geweest because she went all the way to Arizona in the USA to take part in the IFBB Pro League. Man, natuurlik, this was made famous by Arnold Schwarzenegger, the likes of Ronnie Coleman and hulle het baie divisies natuurlik in hierdie kompetisie, reg? It's a bodybuilding competition and they have the men's physique, they have a classic physique, they have the 2-on-2 bodybuilding, they have bikini, they have figure. Man, hulle het alles. And Tiana, of course, went over to represent us as SA. Tiana, wat is nuus?
Hi, Thabiso. Dit was goed om by jou. Thabiso, dit was so amazing experience en jy weet, mens leer deur alles, maar ons het hom gemis met een puntjie. Enetjie.
Kan jy dit 1 punt?
Ja, sy het 'n totaal van 4 gehad en ek het 5. So dit is waar dit geëindig het.
Wow.
So ons het hom net gemis. Maar weet jy wat, tweede plekkie, ek het almal vir my, hoe was dit? Ek sê vir jou, weet jy, as hulle my naam tweede uitneem, toe sak hierdie hartjie vir so 5 sekondes tot my sole van my voete. En
ek sou gesê tot my poppeltjie, maar ja.
En ag, weet jy waar, dan staan jy maar weer op en ek het haar 'n drukkie gegee en gesê vir well done.
Come on.
Jy weet, jy weet, ons skuif die fokus na die volgende een toe. Jy weet, dit is net, dit is die nature van die sport. You win some, you lose some. Maar ek bedoel, die fokus is nog daar, ons gaan hom nog chase, dus hoekom ons bietjie vroeër in die jaar begin het, sodat ek meer opportunities kan hê. Maar ja, dit was close.
Jy gaan volgende Spanje toe, reg?
Dit is korrek, ons Spanje is, ek dink is die 15de Junie, die Ambro Classic, so dit is waar ons volgende fokus is, so ons het Dinsdag aand geland en Woensdagoggend is ek weer terug in die gym besig om te doen wat ek moet doen.
Maar, your dedication, my goodness.
There's a purpose, so it has to be done.
Come on, man. You know what? There's something that you just mentioned right there that really touched me, right? Is that, yes, you got podium met 'n tweede plek gekry, but still, the good sportswoman that you are, jy het nog steeds vir die nommer 1 gaan geluk sê, alhoewel het so met 1 punt is, maar yes, Diana, nou moet ek vir jou vra, what motivates you? Kyk, ek sal amper opgee, like, you were so close, but yet so far. What is telling you, kom ons doen dit weer?
Because we're close. That's why. Because when I got onto stage, I could dance with the girls. You know, there was 4 girls on the lineup that came from Olympia. So, meaning they've stood on the Olympia stage and we beat them. So I can do it. It's just opportunity and getting everything ready, you know.
I love it.
So we're close. We can get this done. That's how I feel in my heart. So yeah.
Oh man, nee Diana, jy het nou regtig, jy het my naweek gemaak. Ek wil nou vir jou applausies so gegee het, maar sien jy my tegnologie werk op die oomblikie lekker saam met my. Diana, congratulations, and I'm looking forward to having you back in studio again after you're done at Spain, because you are bringing back the number 1 place. Ek is vas
we're still focused. We're still excited. Like I said, the plan doesn't change. We're still chasing. And still feel good and fresh, so we'll get it done. If not this one, the next one. That is just how it goes.
Come on. Diana, baie dankie vir jou tyd, maar ek dink jy moet nou terug doen te gaan. Okay, so geniet dit.
Ja, dankie Thabiso, dankie vir die incheck.
Lekker, cheers. Oh man, it's Tiana Flex on the line that we had there, and of course, as I said, we had her in studio. She went through to the IFBB Pro League. You can follow her on all your social media platforms, Tiana Flex. Of course, she still needs your support, right? She still needs your support to get over into Spain, and that is however you can. As jy net vir haar boodskapie wil stuur en vir haar sê, hey man, all the best, good luck, go for it. As jy miskien haar wil support in teen of sponsorship, whatever the case may be, ek weet hulle doen make-up, ek weet hulle doen bikinis en al daai goedjies. Get in touch with her on her social media platform. Her name is Tiana Flex. Kan nie wag dat sy hierso in die ateljee kom met haar nommer 1 van Spanje af nie.
Thabiso Kambule on Jacaranda FM.